Hi, my name is Biz Hartman, and this is my story at ArcelorMittal. I learned of ArcelorMittal when I couldn't help but walk straight towards those bright orange shirts at Purdue University's career fair. It didn't initially cross my mind to work in the steel industry, but knowing ArcelorMittal is the world's leading steel company meant there would be diverse opportunities to learn, grow, and progress. My conversation at the career fair intrigued me. It was evident that ArcelorMittal cared about helping me find the right fit rather than just a job. Now, as an employee at ArcelorMittal, I can say that this is true. I am currently a process automation engineer for quality assurance at ArcelorMittal Burns Harbor. I maintain applications, websites, and systems that support other engineers in doing their daily job responsibilities within the steelmaking division. Before ArcelorMittal, I had minimal knowledge of the steel industry, so a lot of my learning was on the job from my peers with different engineering backgrounds. Graduating with a degree in electrical and computer engineering technology, I am also bringing unique perspectives and teaching my colleagues. I am proud to work with such a talented group of individuals, each bringing something new to the table with enthusiasm to help one another and learn from each other's experiences. On top of my normal job and day-to-day responsibilities, I also oversee product control within the process of steelmaking. This means that I learned responsibilities typically conducted by metallurgical and material science engineers. This might be outside of my comfort zone, but I am always encouraged to seize every opportunity to develop myself and push my boundaries. I am proud to be a part of the ArcelorMittal family. Make your world at ArcelorMittal.